Hello students, if you are preparing for your class 10th board examination this March, you are about to make one of the most important decisions of your academic life. After the exams, almost every family asks the same questions. Should I choose science, commerce, or humanities? Unfortunately, many students make this decision based on marks, relative advice, or simply because their friends are choosing a particular stream, and that's where the mistake happens. I'm Neeraj. I started my professional journey as a career counselor and aptitude trainer. Over the last 2 decades, I have trained students for examination like CAT, GRE, GMAT, and law entrance examination like CLAT. Being an engineer by education and an aptitude trainer since 2002, I have had the privilege of interacting with thousands of students from different academic backgrounds. One lesson has remained constant throughout these years. Every student is unique, and every student's career path should be unique too. At Mindtree Education, we don't believe career decisions should be based on guesswork. We follow a scientific and structured career counseling process. The first step is a comprehensive psychometric assessment, which evaluates your aptitude, interests, personality traits, learning styles, and career preference. Once the assessment is complete, I personally analyze the report. After that, we conduct one-to-one offline counseling session with both student and parents. During this session, we discuss the assessment result, explore suitable career options, understand the requirement of different professions, and help you choose the stream that best matches your strength and aspirations. The objective of career counseling is not to convince every student to choose science or commerce. The objective is to help every student to make an informed decision based on their abilities, interests, and long-term goal. The right decision after class 10 shape your confidence, your college journey, and your future career. The best time to plan your future is before the board exam, not after. A 1-hour career counseling session today can give you clarity and help you prepare for the right path after class 10. I look forward to meeting you and helping you make one of the most important decisions of your academic journey. Thank you.